Now, let's take a look at the Band 7 marking criteria for Lexical Resource. This is for a Task 1 question. The term lexical resource may seem daunting, but don't worry, this marking criteria is all about vocabulary. So, you need to make sure that your answer uses a wide enough range of vocabulary to allow for some flexibility and precision in your answer. You should also ensure that your answer uses some less common words and shows an awareness of style and collocation. But again, since this is a Band 7 answer, you may produce some occasional errors in your word choice, spelling, and/or the word formation. And again, remember, you can find the full marking criteria using the link in the description. Now, let's take a look at the Band 7 marking criteria for the Lexical Resource component of Task 2. Remember, Lexical Resource is all about vocabulary. So, you should ensure your answer uses a wide enough range of vocabulary to allow for some flexibility and some precision in your answer. You also need to make sure that your answer uses some less common words and shows some awareness of style and collocation. But again, since this is just a Band 7, your answer does not need to be perfect, and you may produce occasional errors in your word choice, spelling, and/or your word formation. And remember, you will be able to find a link to the full marking criteria in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in the description below. Let's get started.